Damn, Chase, you turned that hoe on.
I didn't know. Nah, I know though. So next time.
What's up, big guy? Focusing on everything today is focusing on fast twitch fibers, fast twitch, stopping the start. Wake them up.
Take the time out and hear me for a minute. Hit a too high, young nigga, bad feeling.
Who you talking about?
He a 300-pound lineman, bro.
Who?
Who you talking about? He talking about peso, bro. Peso. Get his ass out of here.
Look who it is. The man, the myth, the legend. What's happening, homie? You got enough ratchet straps in here? They're wet now.
What's up, bro? Number 0. Oh, big fat dudes is lineman. KD, yeah. I fuck with him. So you play for the...
They play last Hornet. He ain't got no home, bro. He at home. They fuck.
Yeah, Chargers don't exist no more, dude.
That's on one.
Is that the only one?
What about the safety? What number was that safety? Number 8.
Barry?
Shit, I want D though.
D4. D4?
Yeah.
See, you don't know that boy, though. That's the countryside. But we the most famous, though, for the chicken, though. You heard of Blakely? You ain't heard of no
Yeah,
Blakely?
but I mean, I ain't never been there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Early county.
I'm just staying my nose. Nothing wrong.
I can't even read.
You know what I'm saying? So now see, that right there tells me that we
Yeah.
like you can have something, like you had like some dumbbells at home, something you can grab onto.
Yeah.
You can have off the ground.
Okay.
You can do that too. Yeah. You can do it, open that thing up. You ain't got to come all the way high. As soon as you feel it start pulling, go back down. Because your heel flexes, it ain't nothing but a rubber band.
There go that man. Mama, there go that man.
They'll be here before me. They got ice in it.
Stop! That ain't fast enough. Come on.
And the shot's gone, baby.
That ain't nothing, baby. We get this thing in the phone now. Let's come with it. Hey, let's do it, y'all. Let's do it. Hey, break down on me. We're going to get right on the yellow line, man. We got stretches, man. We're across the road, man. Hey, let's go. Hey, Hornets on me. Hornets on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hornets.
That's the new visor. Oh yeah. He do it. Yeah.
Check. We're gonna bring it back. Break off 2. We're gonna get 2, one on that inside of the cone and one on that cone. Everybody else gonna hit me right there. So we get 2 on here, everybody's gonna be over here. Alright? We're gonna hop, let's go. It don't matter.
I need them shoulder pads.
I'm feeling good.
Dark gang, nigga. Dark gang. Yeah. Running back. Clap from the back, made bitch on the running back. Hit him one time, then I'm running up out of there. I'm in the spine, I ain't wearing no underwear. Alex, she minds, but ask do I really care? Mike is fine, she hate when you niggas there. How can I dope from the smoke when I put it there? I'm in the jungle alliance with Wallabears. Run to the hole like a running back. I'm in the club and I smell like a thunder pack. Ain't got a dog, but look like 100 racks. Running back. They let me out, they ain't have enough evidence. I got more shots for the outs than the president. I'm up all night with this shit, David Letterman. I can make clutches, Julian Edelman. I need a plug for the man in the middleman. Why did these niggas be capping so hard on the internet? I'm a real nigga, it's hard to get into that.
When we on our cones, a lot of us getting wide on the cone. Doing this. Put my cone right down. Around. Out.
That boy want to play fullback, coach. Hey, that boy want to be a fullback.
Knock him out. There you go. Come on with it.
He's getting busy right now. Think about it. Think about the field, Come on with it. Fight. No, I can't hear that one. I can't hear that one.
Working on form, baby. Alright, two. Good.
That ain't half of it, though, people. For real, like, kill it. Man, that's going from one side of the field, up the stadium, down the stadium, back across the field, and we had 10 of them hoes.
Now come back, but do it the other way. This foot needs to be up. We'll do it from the back. So go kill. Kill. Boom. Kill again. Bring this one, find your soft spot, and get on the ball with your feet. Sit down. Let's go.
Oh, that's a good route. That's a good route.
Very good route.
Good route, Pete. Good hands, though. Good hands. Let's see, we gonna get it, though. We gonna get it. I just gotta get back used to running route, though, bro. I've been a quarterback for so long, bro.
Since the 80s?
Huh?
Since the 80s? You've been doing it for a while?
Yeah, for the 80s. Since the 80s, I've been doing it for a long time. I ain't had time to I ain't had time to work on my craft, man, so.
Nah,
I'm not that fast or quick though. So I like basically my best routes is short routes. Like comebacks, slants. That's all I like. I ain't
We the type of niggas that get muddy in the field. Yeah, send them Hornets at you to break the opposition.
Fuck off the field. You ain't ready to score no touchdown. Go home. If you ain't ready to keep no shots, take your ass. Let's get it. This is that game we gonna play, so let's get it going. We the Hornets, right? Yeah. On 5 we gonna say Hornets. On 6 we gonna say family. So 1, 2, 3. Hornets. 4, 5, 6. Family. Let's go to song. We ain't gotta say nothing else. It's just.
I listen to UK drill.
Yeah, I listen to that shit all the time.
That shit hard.
What?
UK drill music?
Yes.
And like you wouldn't think it, them motherfuckers can rap.
Rap.
Like, wordplay be crazy.
Get it. So much better. Hey, y'all see them? They're talking about they got some rage spray for the morning.
All right, where we going, guy?
Hey, check them out. Y'all check them out. Y'all feel? So don't worry about it though. I'm gonna put them in the chokehold. They say they got the spray for it. Nah, I don't believe so. It's off-brand.
Where we headed? Where we headed?
It's a raid. It's a great value raid.
Ain't happening?
Ain't happening.
Where we going?
Man, we finna go ahead and go to the top, get right, go ahead and meditate right quick. So we go ahead and come out here. They talking about they got the raid spray for us. Nah, I don't believe so, cause guess what, the Hornets, we are standards, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
We're not going for it today. We're coming out here, we're gonna lock in today, we're gonna get it right. Y'all gonna, ooh, I like that. Y'all hear the bell? No,
We got a lot of people.
Yeah, I hear the bell, y'all hear the bell. Yo, Hornets! We're gonna call the Hornets!
Mark Jr., aka Uno, aka Illinois Baby Daddy, aka National Stepdaddy, aka you know what it is, dog.
Dark course, number 28, wide receiver.
Gary Young Jr., number 15, Racing Raiders. Been playing for about 11 years now. Quarterback, I've been playing with the Raiders 2 years now. Semi-pro for 15 years.
So you trying to build off this, or you gonna stay with the Raiders?
No, I'm gonna stay with the Raiders. I mean, this is my hometown. This is where I want to stay. I want to win with the Raiders. I want to bring something back home, kind of like build to that Racine legacy. Racine is so proud of their sports, and just give the hometown something to cheer about.
Standard is a standard. Every semi-pro team always said they're the standard, but 71 plus years, other NFL teams played in our stadium. We have sponsors, top sponsors, we have trainers, we have live legit practices, offensive line, defensive line still get sleds. We are the standard, but everybody can say they are, no matter if they play in their leagues, they win their leagues, or they win the regions, or they go down to Florida and win the national championship games, the bowl games. The standard still remains the same. It's in Racine, Wisconsin.
Now we'll send it down to our referee, Keith Turner, on the field for tonight's coin toss.
I just gotta bring him out. Oh, no. Heads and a tail. Transparency heads and a tail. Tails is called. Tails is called. It is a head.
Defer to the second half.
It is the second half. You want to receive. Which way you want to kick it? We'll kick south. That way, that's Raiders on that side there.
I get their money.
Third on that.